Yo, what up, chat? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to Jtraedz TV. We'll discuss all stock related contents and much more, man. Sorry for being out, man. I had to get everything configured, man. I had to get the bit rates and everything. So hopefully everything is running smoothly with you guys. So if you guys can see me on social media, y'all can see me on YouTube, you can see me on Twitch. Man, do feel free to hit me up in my chat, man. Let me know that y'all got me, man. Y'all can see me. We good to go. And we get it rocking and rolling. Man, guys, I'm so excited, man. We started this challenge off at $100, man. Now look where we at, man. We up 2 G's, baby. 2 G's. And, you know, I mean, and I was going through a lot, man. I was going through a lot of emotional roller coasters because, you know, as I was, you know, growing my account up to these big, you know, these big numbers, man, it hurt me in a sense because I thought about so many people that left my side, who gave up on me, who didn't believe in me, who said I wouldn't go amount to shit, that I wasn't going to do this, I wasn't going to do that. And man, we here, boss. We here, bosses. For my ladies and ladies and gentlemen, man, we made it, man. We went from a $100 account to now $2 grand with no money being added to this at all, man. This was specifically based off of patterns, based off of setup, based off of on timing, waiting for our opportunities, man. And we knocked it out the park. Now we up $2,000, guys. Now we on that road to 2,500, man. And again, I wouldn't have made it this far if it wasn't for you guys. So I wanted to give you guys a shout out to my Twitch supporters, to my YouTube supporters, and so forth, man. Appreciate y'all for being there by my side and believing in me, knowing that we was gonna make it this far, man. We gonna keep going, man. I don't give a shit who believe in me, who don't. I don't give a damn. My account is growing, and my account and my action is speaking for itself. I don't care who support me, who don't. I don't care. So we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling, man, because I made it this far, believing in myself, believing God, not giving up on myself, and I made it this far from now $2,000 from a $100 startup, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. So I don't care. I don't care about proving myself to nobody. I don't give a shit about that, man. Let's go, baby. From a $100 startup to $2,000, man. Come on, man. Tell me God ain't real. Tell me God ain't good, man.
Nadia says, hello.
Good morning, Queen. Good morning to you, beautiful. Hope you're having a blessed, man. Hope you're doing good in your account too as well. And I did post this on my Discord, guys. Made another an additional and I started another small account. Already grew that bad boy up to $2,000, guys. And right here's the proof. Screenshot, no photoshops involved. You can clearly see 2 grand on the we were up $2,000, man. $2,000, man. I got nothing to hide. I'm always authentic, always breaking down everything that I'm doing, everything that I'm thinking about, and we making it.
Where have you been?
I ain't gonna lie, I took a little break, Nadia. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I was like, man, after all the hard work I put in, man, I took a little break. I took a little break to, to go, take the queen, especially when you already know with the baby situation. I took her to go eat out, because I wanted her to get out of the house.
I don't see alerts daily.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been on my Discord. I've been on in the other community, and I don't know why I thought you was in the other community. I'm not gonna lie to you, Nadia. I don't know why I thought you was in the other community. I do apologize about that. But I am back. Everything is running smoothly now. I do have you guys on this. I had to kick a little bit, so my stream can run smoothly on Twitch and YouTube. So I am back. Everything is running smoothly. We are good to go. Let me go ahead and get the chat room open, guys. So I will open up my my chat room.
You should let me know, please.
No, and I have opened up my my LX Traders voice call too, Nadia. If you want to join voice calls, I am here on there. Cause I don't know why I thought you was in the other community. Cause I don't know why I keep getting you Jenna and y'all confused. Cause she be on there, and I'm thinking cause it be Jenna and Aussie. And I do apologize.
What's the trade of the day today?
Today I did take CRWV. CRWV was my trade. And again, I don't know why I thought you was in the other community the whole time. I do apologize about that because I am a part of another trading community. And shout out to Hardware and Primo for allowing me into their community. And man, these guys have helped me, increase as far as my trading thought process, my trading career, bringing about the best in me and other traders, man. So shout out to Hardware. Shout out to Primo, man. And again, thank y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. And that's why I've really been, Nadia. And I do apologize.
I am not what community.
Yeah, and I thought you was a part, and I do apologize. And again, I meant to tell me, I thought you was a part of it. So let me go ahead and post that to these guys too on the other community. See if they're gonna join me on that one too as well. Yeah, so I am live, guys. I am live. I am switching over to my chat, my voice chat. Matter of fact, let me see. Can I switch them over? Let me see if I can switch it over to their community, to their chat box, so y'all can see what they're talking about.
$CRWV put or call you made money.
Puts, Queen. I made puts. Puts. I caught this 139 back down to, underneath 137. That's why that's how I made my $2,000. So I basically been working on my scalping. I've been doing a lot of scalping lately, Nadia. And matter of fact, and I'll let y'all in on the community. Let me see if I can switch it real quick. Let me go to my Discord. What do I have it set for? Discord general. I'm trying to switch it over to there so y'all can hear them talk as well. Let me see if it'll allow me to do it, so y'all can hear how they, what they talk about. Man, shout out to Primo again. Shout out to Primo, man, one of my goats. One of the ones that helped me get to where I'm at too, man. So I gotta give shout out to Primo and Hardware for that, man. Appreciate you goats, because I know Hardware tell me not to stop thanking them, but I can't help it, man. I mean, it's truly a blessing, man. I'm truly grateful for having these guys in my corner. Primo, if you are listening, boss, I do want to let you know, man, thank you so much, man, for being so... I'll put it like this, Primo. Man, thank you so much for being somewhat of a father figure to me as far as in the trading community. I mean, I know we don't talk as much, man, but I'm definitely grateful to have you in my corner. I definitely thank you for pushing out the best in me, man, for creating these small account challenges, man, from growing these small account challenges. But shout out to Primo, shout out to his community, man. Guys, if y'all do want to be a part of that community, man, join them. Like I said, but you do have to go through them to be a part of that community, boy, because they don't just allow anybody. They allow the best of the best. And and due to Primo, he have brought the best out of me, man. So appreciate him for put me on my level where I'm at. So I'm grateful, man. I can't complain about that. So let me see if I can get them in on a voice call on their end. Let me see if I can do this, guys, real quick. They put them let me try to see how it's gonna let me do it. Let me try to link it. Let me see if it's gonna let me do it. I'm trying to see if it's gonna allow me to do it. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute, cause I forgot how to switch it over to the Discord voice call for them. Let me see if I can do it real quick. It's not letting me do it. I don't think it's gonna let me. I don't think it's gonna let me do it. It's a certain way. It's a certain way to open up their Discord. I don't think it's gonna let me do it though. Let me see if I can do it, man. Cause I know mine is open, but I don't know if it's gonna go to theirs. I don't think it is. I don't think it's gonna let me do it. But I'll find a way. But anyway, though, man. But thank y'all so much for joining me, guys. Nadia, what is your thought process? What are you looking at? My voice call is open. Do feel free to join me. If y'all want to go over any stocks and anything else, man, do hit me up, man, and we'll go from there. Nadia, join me in my voice call. On my the voice call is open to the public. I don't think it's gonna let me post the damn link right now. To join the LX Traders voice call.
What up?
Larry, yo, what's up, boss? What's up, boss? We did it. We went from $100, boss, to now $2,000 on my trades, man. We did it. We now up $2,000, baby. $2,000 on the day. Not on the day, but throughout the journey. We up $2,000 from $100 to now $2,000. Man, I can't be more than excited, guys. The voice chat is open to the public.
I see you.
Man, boss, I see you, man.
What's the name of your community?
Well, I mean, the voice call is LX Traders, but the community you already know is Team Traedz.
Lario says, that's ain't easy.
No, hell no. Lario, boss, that wasn't easy. It wasn't. It started for $100. Hell no, it wasn't easy. But what I did was, for those who do have small accounts, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. All I was doing was taking small little amounts and letting it add up. I was doing $10, $20, $10, $20, $10, from going from $100 to now $200. Now I have $100 leverage. Now I'm going from $200. Now I'm growing that bad boy up to $250. So what I did was I did
what trading?
I'm not trading anything right now, but I did trade CRWV this morning. So I did take, and right here, guys and ladies, y'all can see I took the 139 resistance and I played it on down underneath 137. That's in the right here, and I'll show y'all my proof. Y'all know I don't lie to you guys. I always back everything up. Right here, I said, team, took this another small account challenge and grew it up to 2K via CRWV from $100 startup. This can't be real. And right here, guys, I show my proof. I did not Photoshop. I show everything. I'm very authentic. I show y'all everything that I do. So I done grew that small account now up to $2,000, guys. Now I can do whatever I want. So that's kind of why I've been out.
I know you will take me with you to your community.
Yeah. No, Queen, I got you. I got you on that. But like I said, Lario, Nadia, join me on my. I'm gonna try to post it where y'all can join me on my voice call. Is that LX Traedz? It's open to the public. I'm trying to see if it's gonna I'm trying to see if it's gonna let me post the link so I can show y'all.
I don't know where you trade.
Hold up. Let me go to. I'm gonna say voice call. I'm putting it right now in my community. I'm putting it in a general chat. Voice call is now open. Now open. So y'all can join me. It is free to the public. I'm posting it right now on my general. Posting it right now on my general. All right, there y'all go, guys. Voice call is open. Join me right now. It is on my Discord and general chat. Join me right now. Hit me up. Hit me up, Nadia. If you want to talk, feel free to talk. Hit me up. I did post it on the general. Join the Discord. Join your voice call. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. So let's see. Now, let me see if I go to the other one so y'all can hear them talk. So y'all can see what we talk about. Let me see if it's going to let me do it. Let me go to the voice call. On my end. Let me see. So right here, this is the other one. So y'all can hear it. Let me see if anybody, I don't think anybody talking. Let me let them know I'm in. Hey, Phoebe, Hardware, Jenna, Lucky, all you guys, I'm letting you guys know that y'all are on my live stream right now at this moment. So I'm letting people hear you guys out, go over y'all thought processes and so forth. So do feel free to hit me up on through here, guys. Appreciate you. Right. See? So yeah, guys, like I said, if y'all want to go over any stocks, anything, Lario, Nadia, if y'all want to go over anything, I do have the other Discord open on my end. Y'all can hear them talk and so forth. But if y'all want to join this community, y'all have to go through, do a few goats because y'all got to prove yourself. I had to prove myself as well, but let them know that y'all are about business, man. Y'all can't go in there playing. Y'all have to let them know y'all really about trading business, man. So, but do feel free to talk to them. But as far as now, y'all can join me on my live stream. Y'all can join me on my Discord. And again, y'all do have the floor. It is open up to the public, guys. Hit me up, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let me make sure my LX Trader is open to the public, guys. It is open up to the public. Let me make sure it's everything is good to go. Y'all can join me right now. I did post it on my general chat. Should be open to the public. Let me see. It should be open to the public. Yeah, it's open up to the public. Yeah. So guys, LX Traders, hit me up. But so far, guys, we have grown an account, and I will take a screenshot on my overall.
Link something is wrong.
Oh, you on a tip slab? Hold up. Jtraedz. You got an L in there. That's why. It got a 1. That's not right. Let me hold up. Let me hold up, Queen. Hold up. Yeah, it's not a 1 on it. As far as the donations, hold up. Let me go to it real quick. I'm gonna post the donations. Hold up. Yeah, that's not the right one. Hold up. Let me post it real quick. I got you. I'm gonna post up the donation links. All right, there y'all go. There go the donation links. There y'all go. So there you go, Nadia. But so far, in the other community, I did call out. I was on CRWV. I was trading that bad boy. For my NVIDIA traders, I did say that we need to get back above that 68.50, 168.50 for the possible push up to 170. Called that one. This morning, I did call out SPY. I said once we cracked underneath that 670 level, the next level you want to watch was going to be around that 669.34. And I do have witnesses to back that up. That I did alert that. That I said from 669, we could pull our way back down to 668. Down to possibly, I know we didn't go all the way back down to 666. But we did catch that downtrend all the way back down towards 667. But I did alert 669.34. Why did I call that level out? Because if you go back to yesterday, guys, that was that level, that was that intraday high. We hit up around 669.34 and then got a nice little pull back down towards where? 667.99 right here. If you want to round it off, 668. So all we did was pull right back down from 669.34. Got a little crack down towards 67. Then look what we got right back on top of. Right around where? 667, 668 level. So I did call it out. I did alert my traders on Tesla. That was 455 down to 450. SPY from that 669 level all the way back down towards the 668, 667. Call that out. And I did jump in on my CRWV. Caught that bad boy back down. So, and you can see that I did post my P&L, show my proof that I am up now $2,000 so far. So we are on that road to $2,500, guys. We started from $100 on this account. Lario, you was my witness. Nadia, you was my witness. We started with $100. Now up to $2,000 freaking dollars. Came in. Oh, there go my queen. Hold up. I got you. Hold up. Let me go to my Discord. Hold up, queen. Let me get to you. Hold up. Let me go back. Let me open it up. Hold up. I got you. Let me go to my Discord. I got you, Nadia. I got you, queen. I got you, beautiful. Hold up. Let me post it. Let me make sure I got it open. Hold up. Watch it. Oh, there we go. Got it. Bam. All right, queen. I got you on the. I got you in. And I do apologize. I don't know why I thought you was in that other community with me, Jenna, Aussie, and the rest of us. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I was getting you, Jenna, confused because y'all both sound the same, and I'm so sorry. I do apologize. So Nadia, what you looking at today, queen? What you looking at today? I got you today. I got you. And again, feel free to speak out. I mean, I talk every day, so I don't care. I'm comfortable. Don't be afraid to talk. Lario, you want to join the voice call too, boss? Man, you can do so too, boss. And we are open to the public. Hold up, who I got? Oh, I thought that was Lucky. All right, let me close it back. All right. So right now, guys, watch this key level here. You got to keep in mind that we are coming off a lunch hour volume. Watch this level here, guys. And I'm gonna show you some other things that I was alerting to. So let me go to SPY's 5-year chart. And as I mentioned, we bounced from this we bounced off of this green trend line, started to rotate our way back up towards this red trend line. So I did alert that SPY was on somewhat of an uptrend, and which we're still pushing up towards the upside. So there you go. I was alerting it from every aspect, from a 5-year chart, 12-hour chart, and so forth. Now let's look at a 12-hour chart. Let's go to 12-hour. I was alerting this as well. Let me go ahead. Oops. Let me go ahead to my 12-hour chart. So I was giving everybody heads up on what to expect. So let me go to it real quick. Let me detach my 12 hours so y'all can see that from my standpoint. All right, let's go to 12 hours so y'all can see it. All right, there y'all go, guys. Bam, bam, bam. So I had to kick off Twitch. I had to kick off Kick because I had to run off of 2 platforms instead of 3. So it looked like it's running a little bit more smoother. So I mean, Lario, Nadia, y'all like the stream now? Is it running smoothly? So I want to make sure everything's working on you guys in. I want to make sure we all good to go. So 12-hour chart, you can see, guys, we recovered. Trend line bounce. Now pushing up towards this yellow trend line, which is around 670-ish. Got rejected, right back on down. Watch this little level here. Pulling back down, that's going to put you towards 660, 640 level. That's this old breakout zone and that caused us to push up towards 670. So there y'all go. All I'm doing, look at the 12-hour chart. Look at the setup. All y'all did was get rejected at 660, 640. You pull right back down towards the 657. Got that nice bounce back on up. Broke out above 660, 641. Up towards 670. Got rejected right back on down. So, for my longs, if you want to see upside, what needs to happen is that we need to hold this 660, 640. Get our way right back up towards that 670 level. Reverse that candle towards the upside, towards 672, 674. That'll put us back on top of this trend line, up towards this trend line, where we go back up towards this trend line here. So keep that on mind. But guys, all I do is watch patterns. All I do is, it don't matter whether I watch the SPY, it don't matter whether I watch the CRWV, and whatever the case may be.
Great calls on $TS.
I got my guy.
Wish I would have held longer, but green is green from your call.
And matter of fact, we're gonna look at the 5-hour chart on Tesla too, boss. And thank you for reminding me. So we're gonna look at the chart on Tesla as well. So let's go to the 5-hour chart real quick. I'm gonna bring up Tesla instead of SPY. So let's bring up Tesla. Let's see how we're looking on that bad boy. So let's see how we're looking. Oh, let me see. Let me type it in. There we go. All right, type it in. Come on, Tesla. Oh, oops. There we go. So right here, Lucky, you see the setup, boss? You see how?
Nadia says. $TSLA dip buy to buy call.
Yeah, so okay, Lucky, Nadia, since y'all looking at Tesla, y'all notice once we recovered that 220 and that green trend line, y'all notice the rotation, right? At one point, you got rejected at the red trend line. You came all the way back down to the green trend line, which brought you around 220, right? So from that point, you got that bounce. You got back above 320. You got above 320, which went on a $100 mover. So you got back above 320. From 320, you constantly got that push right back up towards the upside, towards the what? Red trend line. All you did was get rejected at that red trend line. Rejected off that red trend line, right back on down. And if y'all notice, every time we hit the red trend line, we get a pullback. So let me bring this over a little bit. So, and I'm gonna draw it out. And let me put it in real quick. You know, y'all already know, guys, I got y'all back. I always bring up everything. I always have proof. So notice, you got attempt number 1, you got attempt number 2, and now attempt number 3 off of what? That red trend line. Every time you run to the trend line, sell a step in. Red trend line, sell a step in. Red trend line, sell a step in. Vice versa. That's just like the bottoms. Every time we get towards that green trend line, buy your step in. Green trend line, buy your step in. Green trend line, buy your step in. All you did was rotate from the bottoms, and I'll draw it, from the bottoms to the tops, from the tops to the bottoms, from the bottoms back up to the tops towards what? Resistance. Guys, all you do is read these patterns. Man, it's so easy to understand it. And then shout out to Lucky them who caught that bad boy. So we did talk about what it was, 455, right? So we talked about 455 level. Let me bring this back on down. Put this back underneath my little spot. All right, let me get this back. All right, let's go to Tesla real quick. Take a look at Tesla. All right, take a look at Tesla. And there you go. Lucky, you was my witness. We was in the other community, right? What did I say that we needed to crack? I said we crack underneath what price point? I said we crack underneath 455. Then we was gonna go down to what? 450. Now you done crack from 450 down to 445. Now from 445, you're possibly going down to what? 440. And if you notice, all we're doing is getting a continuation downtrend setup on Tesla. So once we got this area in pre-market, which was around 480, came down to 485. I'm sorry, 475. 475. 470, 470 down to 465, 465, 460, 455, 450, 455, 445. From 445 now back down into what? And all you did was create a what? Downtrend setup from ever since pre-market level. You just been downtrending ever since. And for those who still can't see it, let me draw it out. There go your downtrend. Bow. Plain and simple. You've been on a downtrend ever since. There you go. But you see how easy it is to read these patterns and execute on that? We know that Tesla likes to move by $5 increments. We know this. So now that we got the bears to present themselves, so we have more of a sell-off than a buying opportunity. What did we do? We went from 455, 450. From 450, 445. 445, and then we move it back down to 440. Did I not say, guys, that Tesla likes to move by $5 increments? Did I not? I said that Tesla likes to move by $5 increments. Now that we understood the pattern, we understood the momentum. Remember, ELE, environment, levels, entries, exits. Remember, we go over this all the time. Once you identify yourself on what type of pattern, because you remember I told you the market goes through 4 patterns. You go through a trending state, reversal state, breakout state, and ranging state, which is a channel. So once we identified ourselves with what? A trending state. What type of trend was it? A downtrend. Which you can clearly see that it's nothing but sellers. Sellers, 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 sellers. All we've been is on a downtrend ever since the market opened on Tesla. So once you identify yourself with those patterns, man, make that move. Make that move. Don't hesitate on that shit. We always talk about that, about the hesitation. Don't do that. And I'll go to it. Let me go to my lessons real quick. Let me go to lessons. And then what did we go over? ELE, right? We go over ELE. Let me bring it over. Right here. What is ELE? In ELE, it's pretty much, well, where's it at? Come on now. All right, ELE, I'm bringing it over. Bam. ELEE. Environment, levels, entries, exit. What is your environment? Let's go over that real quick. Environment. Environment is what? Environment. The market structure, the context of the market. What are the 4 phases that the market normally transitions through? Let's go through it. What do we normally have? 4 different states of the market. trending state, ranging state, breakout state, reversal state. Now looking at Tesla, what state are we in? Trending state. What type of trending state? A bearish trending state. So we need to go for more of the short side than the long side, because ever since the market opened, you have been down trending. Ever since 480, we got that touch in pre-market, you have been down trending all the way. Okay, so let's put this together. Think about it. You done went from 480 roughly down to 440. Tesla has dropped damn near $40, guys. $40 freaking dollars. You went from 480 down to 440. $40 drop. Clearly, you already know that, okay, don't go against the grain. You done fell underneath the VWAP. You done fell underneath all these key levels, indicating that the market on Tesla was weak, right? All you've been doing is clearly downtrending. Play the downside. Same thing for SPY. We played the downside all the way from the pretty much around the 670s all the way down to 667. Now you can clearly see right here that well by stepping in at 667, right back on top of what? 668. You went from a downtrend to now an uptrend, because now you're creating a what? Higher low. So now, because we're no longer come back down to these bottoms, so if you take these bottoms now to the new bottoms, that's creating a what? A higher low pattern. See how I can easily read those patterns and easily understand how to put myself on the right side of momentum? See that? That easy. Easy. But shout out to Lucky. Shout out to everybody who caught these trades, man. I took mines this morning. I took mines at right at 139. Rolled that bad boy on down. I wanted to see if it was going to get a crack underneath that 137. We cracked it underneath 137 and go back down a little bit. How far did we go down to? We went all the way back down towards the 134s, and that's something that I alerted. 134. Why did I alert 134? Let me go to it. Let me break down. Let me go to it. Why I alerted 134? Why did I alert 134? Let's go to CRWV. Why I played the downside versus the upside. Let's go to it real quick. 134, I alerted. You can see right here. What was these key levels? What did you get a bounce at? 134. Look right here. Look right across the board. What was your old resistance level? 134, right? Look right here. You ran up, green or red, right back on down. 134, right back on down.
I cannot find it.
And look right here. What did we do the other day? We had a strong engulfing green candle that brought you back on top of what? 134. So now you turn resistance now to what? Support. So now every time you pull back, bounce, pull back, bounce, pull back, bounce. No, now all you doing is creating a big ass bull flag pattern. If you notice that. And I alerted that, and I told you even hard way that the other day. I said once I seen this engulfing green candle, we got a bull flag on our hands. If you see that, you got this engulfing green candle followed by what? Red candle. Give you a what? Bull flag pattern. There you go. What did I play? The move back down. So all I did was do that. Can I switch over the call? Yeah, I can switch back to the upside now that we now bouncing up, because now you got majority more green candles than red candles. So we know that we need to break above what price point? We need to break back above what? 138.50. So, and we can break back above 138.50. Now that put us in a range of 138 to 140. So we go back a little bit. Go back just a little bit. Go back to the past. What was these levels that we ran up to? 141, ran up, came right back on down. So we know that we got room to go back up to these highs. We ran up, but then we got rejected. Why did we get rejected right here, guys? 140, 195. You want to round it off, 142. Why did we get rejected right here specifically? Once, twice. If you go back, what was the strongest area where sellers came in at? 142. Red, green to red, right back on down. So if you notice, as we came up, why did we have an upper shadow here? Based off the past. Why did we have an upper shadow here? Based off the past. That's all I did. I played the past, right back on down. Guys, all you got to do is understand these patterns, play these patterns. I'm telling you, that's how you can make trading easy for you. So I seen a bull flag pattern, saw that, but I also understood my highs, which was around 142. Based off of what? The past levels. Every time we came around 142, we got rejected, right back on down. Above that level, we had what? 144, right back on down. So all I did was play the psychological play. But so for right now, if those buyers can get above this 138.50, we got room to run back and retest what? 141 up to what? 144. And because think about it, bull flag pattern, we above this old resistance level that sellers cannot get back below. Notice the transition. When we were underneath, sellers came in, Sellers came in, sellers came in, sellers came in, right? That's because we were underneath that price point. Now we go back this way. We turning resistance now to support. Now we're creating bear traps instead of bull traps. So here, pullback failure, pullback failure, pullback failure, pullback failure. All I'm doing is watching the patterns. That's clearly all I'm doing. Is taking the patterns and going all the way back to see, okay, where the sellers come in? I see up around 144. Where the sellers come in? Around 144 to 140. All I do is play old areas. That's it. As we came up, I shorted. We came up, I shorted. Why you think I was so comfortable of going in on this upside? I mean on the downside. We could not get back above 134, 139. I seen the signals right here. VWAP, also a 20 EMA rejection. Look at this. Rejection, 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 rejection. Over and over. This is an area that buyers could not successfully get back on top of. So if y'all notice that, this is today. This is today right now. Notice that. Every time we ran up towards 139, rejection. 139, rejection. 139, rejection. 20 EMA, we could not get back above. And also the VWAP, we could not get back above. So that told me, clear signs, we may be going right back on down. So once I seen that, and we got that signal underneath that red candle here, I went for it. Because that put us right back underneath the VWAP, and we played it back down to the downside, and I took it. It's all about understanding these patterns, reading these patterns very closely. Same thing with SPY, where we at right now. What are we testing? The VWAP. So right now, as we bouncing back on up, we right here towards the 50 SMA, and we right at the VWAP. Now, we can break above those key levels. Yes, we could get a push back up to 669 to possible 670, so forth. So all I'm doing is slowly reading these different patterns that's right in front of me, and I know the levels that we need to break. I respect my VWAP. I understand the VWAP. If you're above it, bullish. If you're below it, bearish. So what do we, same thing on CRWV. Look at my VWAP. The dashed lines, white dashed lines. We stay underneath it, which represented what? Bearishness, right? Because we couldn't break above it and succeed and continue on up, right? We ran on up, we got rejected the VWAP. That represented bearishness because we couldn't successfully get above it. So not only could we couldn't stay on top of the VWAP, we could not stay on top of the 20 EMA. So now we had double the resistance, right? There was a clear sign that 9 times out of 10 was going to reverse right back on down. And not just that, hold up, let me go back a little bit and also show you why I did it too. All right, let me go back. Okay, L'Oreal, Lucky, Nadia, what pattern do you guys see on CRWV right now? What pattern do you see? I'm not gonna say shit. What pattern do you see right now? That gave me another signal on why I should go bearish. What was it that gave me that signal? They say, dude, instead of going long, go short. What is it right in front of y'all that y'all see? What pattern do you guys see right in front of y'all?
Lucky 13 says $H$S.
Not a head and shoulders. It's something else, boss. Look from pre-market to intraday. What do you see that's right in front of you that gave you a clear signal that we were going right the hell back down? I see another pattern. There's another pattern that I see right in front of me that told me after we go up, we're going to hit resistance and go right back on down. Lucky, you my G. You know you see it. From pre-market into intraday.
Brad Creamer says inverse cup and handle.
Brad, that's it, baby. That's it. Inverse cup and handle. There it is. He called it. Inverse cup and handle. There you go. Shout out to Brent. Let me give you some love, Brent. You called it. Shout out to y'all. And nothing wrong with not guessing it, but now y'all see it. Nothing is wrong with that. Nothing is wrong with that. And so, let me give some love to my guy, Brent, real quick, man, for calling it out. He called it. He called it. He called it. Brent, let me give you some love real quick, boss. Hold up. Brent. Shout out to you, boss. You called it. That's exactly what I saw, too. That's exactly what I saw. So, let me draw it out.
Do you count pre-market?
Yes. Yes. Cup. Now you see it, Lucky. Now you see it, Nadia. Handle. Bow. Right there, baby. Right there in your face. And also, your downtrend setup. Shout out to Brent for calling that out. Brent, matter of fact, let me give you some love. Because I'm going to show y'all, I told y'all, man, now that I'm excited, God been blessing me. I mean, I know it's not a lot. No, it's not a lot. I'm going to say I'll see you 20. I'll see you 20 for calling that out. So hit me up with your PayPal or whatever you use. I'll see you 20 for calling that out. To show you I'm not lying. I would literally see you $20 right now. Hit me up, Brent. Hit me up with your PayPal or hit me up with whatever you use. I'll send you $20 right now for calling that out. Swear. All jokes to the side. I'll hook you up with 20. But calling this pattern out. Bam. Cup and handle, he called it. I got to give it to him. I got to give it to him. So I to show you I'm real on my shit, Brent. Hit me up, boss. I got you. I got PayPal, I got Venmo. I do have Zelle.
Says. So now is going up.
So Brent,
Says. Oh shit.
So Brent, my PayPal is jtraedz@gmail.com. Hit me up on PayPal and I will send it to you. And I'll just show you I'm not lying. I got you. I would literally send you over $20 for just calling that play out. But you see how it is? See how I show my love back to people? All he did was call out a play and I'm paying him. So, hit me up. No, matter of fact, Brent, do this.
Brad Creamer says. Link ID equals 255198.
Okay, so I got Venmo. Hold up. Let me, and just show Brent, show you I'm not lying. I'm going on my Venmo. Just show you I'm not lying. Brent, boss, my Venmo is Jtraedz. Hold up, Brent. Hold up. I want to make sure it's you. Let me go to my I do have a Venmo. Okay. Brent, I'm gonna send you my URL. I'm gonna send you my let me do it real quick. Hold up, Brent. I got you, boss. I got you. I told you I'm just showing good faith. Show you good faith. To prove myself. All right, Brent, I got you, boss. Hold up.
Nadia says. 4CRWV now is going to $141.90 before comes down. Jtraedz says. Brad Creamer link.
All right, Brad, hit me up, boss. Venmo right now, boss. Hit me up. I got you. I told you I'm gonna show love, man. Y'all show love to me, I'm gonna show love back. I got y'all, man. So hit me up Venmo real quick, boss. You can just send the request $20. I got you, cause I want to make sure it's you. If you want to hit me up with a request, hit me up $20. So I can follow through on it. To show you I'm not lying. Show you good faith. I got you. I will show love to you, man. Just Brand, you always been one of my G's, man. You always hit me up. Matter of fact, let me see how I can do this. Because I want to send it to you. I want to do this right now in front of everybody. To show that I'm not lying. That I'm a man of my word. Alright, let's see. Let me... Or if you want to, Brent. If you want to, are you on my Venmo? On the brand, you might have to send me your email address, or like your or if anything, send me your username. Oh, I got it. All right, bam, got you. Tell me anybody. All right, Brett, tell me anybody to send it. Tell me anybody to send it right now. Oh, something went wrong. Why the hell it went wrong? Why is it not sending? Wait, hold up. Why is it not letting me send it? Wait. Hold up, Brad, because I got the request. Why is it not letting me send it? Do I got, zero balance. That's why. Let me see. I did add my bank. The phone. Let me do it my way. Hold up. Let me save your information. Because I'm about to send it. Because I got your request. Hold up. I wonder why it's not letting me. All right, let me confirm it. So, Brad Creamer. Okay, so I got you on that. All right, let me pay. Let me see if it's going to let me do it. Why is it saying something? It's still not letting me do it. Hold up, man. What is going on here? Why is it not letting me send it to you? All right, I got you saved on the friends. Let me send it to you through my way. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, this is for. I'm gonna just put ticker. Let me see if it's gonna let me do it. Hold on, Brand. I got you, boss. Hold up. To show you I'm not lying, because I told you I want to be a man of my word. I told you this. I told you I'm a man of my word. All right. Why isn't that let me send it? Let me try my. Hold on, Brent. Let me see if I do my card. Cause I don't understand why it's not letting me do it. Cause I'm trying to send it. Why is it not letting me send this bad boy? Hold up, Brent. Hold up, boss. Cause I'm giving you your money. Bump that. I told you I'm a man of my word. Bump this shit. All right, let me see. Do I have to put in my card just to do this shit? That's crazy. But I'm sending my guy his money. I told him what I was gonna do. Let me see if it's gonna let me do it through this. Let me see something. Alright, let me see if it's gonna let me send it through here. Let me see. I added. Alright, let me see if it's gonna let me do it. Alright, I put my card in. So let me see if it's gonna let me do it still. Alright. I wanna send my guy his money. He send me love, I'm sending back love. Alright, let me try this one. Alright, Brent Creamer. Say send it. BAM! Brent, tell me you got it, baby. Sent it. Tell me I was lying. Tell me I was lying. Sent it. Gotcha. Brent, I'm lying? Did I not see you 20? Did it go through? Let me know. Let me know. Did it go through? Tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Let me know. Let me know.
Brad Creamer says, got it.
Guys, was I lying? Was I lying? There you go, boss. 20. I told you I keep my word. I keep my word. I told you I'm a real one. Shout out to you, Brent, for calling that out. $20 for a ticker. $20 for a ticker. Come on, man. Come on, man. $20 for a ticker. And hey, Brent, make sure it goes into your account. I'm gonna make sure everything's good. Transfer it to your account. Make sure you're good to go. Cause I want nothing coming back saying it's refunded. Nope, I want you to have it. Make sure you transfer it. You're done with it. It's out of the way. Let me know when you transfer it.
Brad Creamer says, appreciate it, brother.
Got you, boss. Always, man. Always, man. I got you. I got you. If anything go wrong, let me know. Anything goes wrong, let me know. I got you, man. You know, if you get some type of decline, or not decline, but refund or whatever.
Brad Creamer says, I got it.
I told y'all guys, man, I love my community, man. I show love. What can I do? Make sure you got it, but shout out to you for calling that play out. I had to pass on my blessings to other traders, man. So there you go, boss. 60-20. You good, man. Trust me, Brent. I'm gonna go higher than that because the only reason why I did 20, because I still got to do the Fast Cash Friday giveaway. That's the only reason why I did 20, because I still got to do the Fast Cash Friday giveaway. Because now that we up $2,000, man, I gotta, I still gotta bless the community, man. We up $2,000, man. I gotta give love back. But that was one of my promises I kept. Send 20. So now y'all know I'm the real deal. I ain't faking shit. Y'all ain't got to do nothing for me but show love to me, and I send y'all money, man. I got y'all. So, look, that y'all my witnesses. And out of you, y'all my witnesses. I show love. I gave love back real quick. Ain't got no shame in my game. Hey, I do what it do. So, I made it happen. Had to hit my guy up. Had to hit my guy Brand up, man. You know what time it is. So, yeah, buddy. Because I want to make sure it went through on my end, too. Did it go down? Yeah, it went down, so it took it out. All right, cool. So, he got his money. I told y'all, man, I'm a man of my word. I don't play that. You know, all these other people be putting up, lies and shit. I'm not with that. But I tell y'all, I'm going to send y'all money. So, Brent, there you go, boss. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, man. So, we doing the damn thing, man. So, let's see what we got now. I had to pass on my blessings, man. Y'all always support me. Y'all always having my back, man. And, I want to show love to y'all. Brent, you always been riding for me since day one, brother, man. And I wanted to show my love back to you, man. So, thank you and salute to you, man. So, one more time for Brent, man. One time to you, boss. Appreciate you. Shout out to Brent. I told you it's gonna pay off following me, man. For always support me, I told you it's gonna pay off. I got y'all backs, man. I got y'all. Nadia, I ain't forget about you too, Queen. I got you too, cause you always donate too. So your name is already in the pot for the Fast Cash Friday giveaway. So Nadia, your name is already in it. So I already got you. You locked in. Brant, I'm adding your name to the pot too. So I'm still working on it. So I mean, while we got a little bit of downtime, let me go to it real quick. Let me go to the little casino because I've told y'all guys I'm setting you guys up for some fast cash Friday giveaways. So let's go to it real quick. Let's go to it. So now y'all see I'm not bullshitting. So y'all can see y'all got a chance to win money, of course. And let me go to make sure the wheel still works because I told y'all I got y'all on the Fast Cash Friday giveaway. Let me just make sure it still works. I just want to test it. Hold up. I told y'all I got y'all backs. Let me make sure it works still. Because I know I haven't been on in a minute. So let me just make sure it still works for you guys. Let me...
Nadia says, I still don't know where you are to trade beside Discord live /.
That's all I'm on. It's Discord. I just haven't been on because I took a little vacay. Man. I want to relax. Kind of clear my mind as we cross over from September to October. But I'm back. I took a little breather. I'm good. All right, let me just make sure the wheel still works. I want to make sure it works still. So I got y'all set up for when we do the Fast Cash Friday giveaways. Let me just make sure, because I told y'all I'm coming through for y'all, man. I told y'all I'm not going to let y'all guys down. All right, spin wheel. I got it. Let me go to my link. Let me make sure it works. I want to make sure it works. Because I told y'all I'm not about the bullshit. I told y'all I'm real on my shit. It still works? Oh, it still works. Ooh, $75. Ooh, somebody would have won $75. Let me just do one more for the fun of it. Let me see. Let me do one more for the fun of it. Let me see. Let me check it out. One more time. One more. Oh, 100. Oh, man. Oh, $100. Oh, snap. See, y'all know it's real. So, I mean, that's the amount. I mean, and then as my account get bigger, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on to the pot. So, right now, it's up to 100. And why is my chat box not on opening up? Let me see. Where's my chat box on this damn thing? Because I wonder why it's not popping up. I can see it on my end, but I'm trying to see why it's not popping up on the... Where's my chat box at? Social chat? Do I have the right link set up? Let me make sure I got the right link set up on this bell. But I might have to change the link. That's probably why it's not popping up on my whatchamacallit. Because I can see it. See, I can see it down here. I may have to fix it. But y'all can see, y'all can win up to $100, guys. Free spins to $100. And then as my account get bigger and bigger, I'm going to boost it up to like... Nah, I ain't even tell y'all the price. Bump that because I don't want to get y'all too excited. I ain't saying that shit. But all y'all know is up to 100. Y'all know it's up to 100 for right now. So, but y'all know I'm a man of my word. I just gifted my boy, Brant. I mean, so hey, y'all know I'm a man of my word when it comes to money. I'm not playing with that shit. So y'all know I'm a man of my word. So, all right, let's go back to the charts and let's see what we got to what the market has to offer. Let's go. Now y'all know I'm a man of my word. I keep my word. So Brant is a witness. Lucky a witness. Nadia a witness. So y'all know I'm a man of my word when it comes to money. So Free Cash Friday giveaways. That's just to show my appreciation and saying, guys, thank y'all for always riding for me, for always having my back, man, because y'all didn't have to. Y'all could have easily just gave up on me, saying this guy, is full of shit. He don't know what he's talking about, man. F him. Y'all roll for me, man. So I am still trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. I know I want to gift my mods.
So CRWB is going down.
If we get back underneath that 137.13, I can definitely see us pulling back down to 136. Yes, I do see that, Queen. I definitely see that. But the way I'm gonna set up the spinning wheel.
$CRWB is going down.
Yeah, if we could get this crack back underneath that 137.13, yes, we could pull our way back down towards 136, create somewhat of another cup. Create another cup underneath the 200-day moving average, underneath the VWAP. So I do see that. So yeah, we could be possibly still pulling back down. And y'all gotta keep in mind, we do have the shutdown going on, which is why I didn't post nothing for as far as the economics, guys, because the jobless claims, they took away the jobless claim due to the shutdown, so no economic data came out. So, but as far as the spinning wheel, I do want to set up one for my mods. I do want to set up one for my YouTube supporters. I do want to set up one for my Twitch supporters. So I do want to set up in different categories, and then I want to do one as a whole. So I'm working on how to set it up. I'm definitely working on it. My guy Brent got $20 off me. He got $20 off me. Shout out to you though, Brent. Shout out to you, boss. You got it. You got that. $20 off me. I told you I gonna spread love, man. I mean, God been doing nothing but blessing me, man. I want to share my blessings with you guys. Y'all been riding for me. So, man, thank y'all. Love y'all, man. Y'all know what time it is. And as my account get bigger, I'm going to add more into the pot. But I'm not going to say how much because I'm getting y'all too excited. But in order for you guys to enter, you got to either subscribe to my YouTube, either hit up subscriptions on my Twitch, or be a mod. So, I got a few in the pot right now. A few in the pot. But I didn't lie about it. I just gifted Brent $20. Off just calling out a pattern. $20 off of a pattern. He didn't even have to put in nothing. But that goes to show you on how loyal I am to you guys. So y'all see my loyalty. I don't lie for nothing. I back it up. So I made sure he got his money. Even though I was having a little bit of complications, I made sure he got his money.
Thanks, man, putting it in my small account.
Man, but no problem. I told you I had your back, boss. And again, shout out to you for calling out that play. I mean, you called it. I mean, I couldn't do nothing but respect it. So, I mean, you did it. I couldn't go back on my word. So, I had to man up on it. I had to man up, give you your 20. Because I ain't gonna lie, first I was going to do 10. I say, nah, man, that's my guy, man. He be riding for me, man. Let me bump it up to 20. And I did that. And I came through. So, I did it. I told you I got y'all back, man. I mean, y'all can make money from me, and y'all can make money from me, if that makes sense. Y'all can make money in the stock market, and y'all also get some free cash prizes from me. Bank. So bank. So y'all banking on it. Y'all making money from me in every which way. But again, I mean, let me ask you guys this: how many other traders do this shit? How many other traders that y'all follow give y'all free money just to calling out plays and shit? I haven't heard any other traders do this. I'm just saying. How many other traders say, call out a play, and I'm going to put money in your pockets? Brent was my first. And I gifted my guy. I gifted my GOAT. It's always been riding for me. So, hey, y'all know I ain't about the bullshit. When I say I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. So, I did it. Ain't that right, Brent? Ain't that right? I get to my people, man. I show love back to y'all. Y'all show love to me. I show love to y'all. So, why not? Hell, like I said, he could make more. You know, I could give out even more. You know, he already called out one play. So, I mean, hey, he could make another one. Never know. Y'all never know what I'm going to do. So, y'all just got to follow me. Y'all never know when I'm going to throw out money to y'all. Y'all don't know. It's random. Just saying. Because I'm just happy, man. And the reason why I'm giving out money, man, because I'm blessed. Because y'all was with me when I was going through my struggles. Y'all was with me when I was only at $100. Starting out at a $100 account. Now up to $2,000. And keep in mind, I watch every single person who shows me love, who shows me support. It's always been Nadia. It's always been Brent. It's always been Lucky. And all the rest of these guys, man. So, I mean, they've been riding for me. That's why their names is already in the pot for the free Cash Friday giveaway. So they ain't got to worry about nothing. So their name's already in the pot. But that goes to show you. All you do is show me support, show me love. Man, I got y'all.
Yup, made 8.5% on my account today.
Man, that's all it is, man. You make 10% plus on your account, man. That's all that matter. You ain't got to try to go big. I mean, hey, that's all that matter. Depending on how many, because I think you do options. So it all depends on how many options, how many contracts you go in with. 10 cents, 10% can still mean a lot. Can change accounts still. I mean, think about it, guys. I started with $100 and I'm up $2,000, and I ain't got to lie about shit. I can literally take a screenshot right now and show you I'm up $2,000, and I ain't add no money to my account. God is my witness. I'm gonna take a screenshot right now and show you I ain't lying about nothing that I back up. So let me go to it. I'll show y'all my proof. I don't lie. What price? What y'all see right there? Why I gotta lie? I didn't add no money to my account at all. God is my witness. I add no extra funds to my account. I am up $2,000 on this small account challenge. I break down, and y'all know me. I break down patterns. I tell y'all what I'm looking at, and so forth. All I do is play patterns, be patient, wait on opportunities, and go for it. And I'm up $2,000. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. That was the whole point of me starting off with $100, because I wanted to relate to a lot of people with small accounts who doubt themselves, because it was a struggle for me too. I started off with $100. You don't have a lot of leverage, so I had to play with what? I had to be grateful for the money that I was making with $100. I don't give a shit if it was $10. I don't give a shit if it was $20. I was still adding up money, taking the profits when I had them to grow my account. Now I'm going from 100 to 150, from 150 to 200. Oh, and not just that, let me show y'all something else for those who may have not seen it. This is something I created for you guys as well. Let me go to it. Hold up. Let me go to it. Yes, I do save it. P&L management. Let me move this over a little bit. So, for those who didn't know.
Creamer says, that's awesome, dude. That's 1,000%.
Boss, and all I did was start from 100 and just slowly grew myself up. I didn't try to become a millionaire overnight. I didn't try to grow $2,000 overnight. Boss, it was just a process. Was it hell? Hell yeah. $100 took me a minute to grow. Then once I got up to $200, got that. Then I went up to $300. Knocked that out. Now I'm up $500. From $500, now to $1,000. $1,000, $1,500. Now look where I'm at. $2,000. So if I can do it, guys, you guys can do it. So, Brant, Nadia, Lucky, this is something I think we went over this already. He was a part of my stream the other week. So, guys, this is a profit management. So, and I use this, and it works. It works, and that's how I grew my account. So, I don't know. One day I would just...
13 says, JB calling out 20 to 30% plays. Thank you, my man. You helped me grow and stay patient.
Man, Lucky. Nope. And then, again, boss, I would thank you for riding for me, man. I mean, you saw my transition when I went from Tradecaster to going solo, and only having you guys to support me. And now just continuously just pushing. And Lucky, man, thank y'all so much, man. And Lucky, I want to say thank you. You are one of the GOATs, man. God bless you. God bless your family. And I wish you, Nadia, and everybody else nothing but success as we end out 2025 going into 2026. So my goal at $2,000 is to go from between $5,000 to $10,000 by the end of this year. That's my goal. $5,000 to $10,000. And think about it, guys. I started with $100, and now I have the option to debate on whether I want to go to $5,000 to $10,000 money I could take out and go enjoy with my family, which is what I did not too long ago. That's why I wasn't in my stream. I went go enjoy myself. Hard work pays off. So, this is something I created. This is called a profit management. So, it's all based off of, and Lucky, we went over this. I think you already know what this is. And Brand, I think you was here too. And what this is a management, profit management. So it all depends on your finances. What is best comfortable for you? Okay, let's start off with level 1. If you're comfortable with making $50 a day, this is gonna be your reward afterwards. So you don't have to focus on the weekly. You don't have to focus on the bi-weekly, monthly, yearly. All you do is focus on your daily, because your daily is what's gonna pay out your weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, yearly. So that's why I have down here $50 daily trading level. So if you're comfortable with this, this is your payouts. So on a weekly basis, you're making $250 a day, $500 a week, $1,000 a month, $12,000 yearly, right? So okay, your account grows, you get better at it. Say if it's okay, now you ready to go above this level. So now you want to go into the $100 to $150 level. Okay, now we're going to level 2 and level 3. So here, bam. Now we're to these levels. Now, you're comfortable making $100 a day. So that means that 5 days out of the trading week, with no holidays involved and all this other shit, you're making $100 a day. You're making $500 a week, $1,000 bi-weekly, $2,000 monthly, $25,000 yearly. And if you're comfortable with that, if that's your comfort zone, stay there. Nothing is wrong with that. That's still money made. So if you're comfortable with level 2, stay there. But all it does is it helps you build confidence as a trader, and it also gives you a challenge. So I didn't went from these levels, because I done tested it. I done went from the $50 from the level 1s I done went from the level 2s. Now I'm just being honest with you guys. Now I'm up to level 4. So I done went from now, doing 250 because as my account grew, I had a lot more leverage and so forth. So now I was making $250 a day, making $1,200 weekly, $25,000 bi-weekly, $5,000 monthly, $63,000 yearly. And again, if this is your comfort levels, which it puts you in this low rookie level, if that's good with you, and especially based off your finances, what you're spending on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever, stick to that. Nothing is wrong with that. All I'm doing is I have quotas. So when I do my trades, right, I'm up to like 4 quotas now. Because when I first started, my first quota was $50 on a day. I say, all right, cool, I made my first quota, done. Now my account is growing. Now I added a second quota. I made $100. I'm up to $100. That quota hit. Damn, I still got more trades to go with. That quota's met. I bump it. Let me go up to $250. And I just got comfortable, but it gets you excited. It gets you hyped up. Because all you're doing, again, you're not focused on the weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, yearly. You're focused on your daily. Your daily is going to pay out everything else behind it. So, once I got out to these levels, man, I was excited. So now, next levels, guys. Now you in a semi-pro level. Now let's say, man, your account gets big enough to now you're making $400. You're making $500 a day. And now your payout, $2,500 weekly, $5,000 bi-weekly, $10,000 monthly, and $126,000 yearly. So if you can't manage this, something is wrong with you. Because, guys, you making $500 a day. You making $2,500 weekly, $5,000 bi-weekly, $10,000 monthly. You making more than majority of people that's making on a 9 to 5, man. You now at a level 4 where you are more than financially stable because you're not living outside of your financial means. You're not trying to overdo shit. You just stand right in your financial means, comfortable. And you can't even just stay in level 4. Something is really wrong with you because you saying it's not enough. That's a blessing. $500 a day, $2,500 weekly, $5,000 bi-weekly, $10,000 monthly, $10,000 monthly. Think about that, monthly. That's 10, 20, 30, and we got 12 months out of a year. Think about this shit, guys. You take 10,000. This is monthly. We got 12 months out of a year. You do this. Do the math. You take $10,000, right, times 12. Dude, you up $120,000 on a yearly basis. What are you complaining about? Like, come on, man. Now, say this is your comfort level, your account gets bigger. Man, you want to go above $500 a day. Now you're making up $1,000 a day. You can't get better than this, man. Come on, man. You making $1,000 a day, $5,000 weekly, $10,000 bi-weekly. That's now we're in the bi-weeklies on $10,000. $20,000 monthly, ending up with damn near $252,000 yearly. Dude, you at level 5 and you in a more than a financial situation, in a more stable situation than anybody else working a 9 to 5 and shit. Dude, this is daily. $1,000. And then on weekly, you in and out with $4,000. You are going above a plant worker. You going above a regular 9 to 5 worker and you complaining on that? Come on, man. Now, last but not least, your last levels is 6 and 7. Now it's putting you in a range of $2,000 daily, $10,000 weekly, $20,000 bi-weekly, now $20,000 bi-weekly, $40,000 monthly, with over $504,000 yearly. Dude, come on, man. If that's not more than a blessing, I don't know what to call it. That's just, if you complain about this between these two levels and you still complaining, dude, you don't even need to be trading. You need to go sit your ass down and go work a 9 to 5, like seriously. But the reason why I created this profit management is to help you out as traders. Even though for those who starting off small, man, you making $50 a day, who gives a shit? That's still money adding up. You don't have to put on an annoying uniform. You don't have to go burn gas to go work a 9 to 5 that you literally hate, that you really don't want to work for. Even $50 a day, you're still doing good. Think about it. $50 from the comfort of your home. $50, you lock that up. Bam, done for the day. You make another $50. Now you're up $100. Bam, lock that up. You made this from home. You didn't have to go couch diving, looking for change. You made this at the comfort of your own home because you believed in yourself, you believed in the patterns, you believed in the timing, understanding when to get into a trade, when not to get into a trade, and so forth. $50 a day is still not bad. $100 a day is still not bad. You making this from the comfort of your home. You're not working a 9 to 5, having to go clock in with somebody. You know, you making this money from the comfort of your home. And dude, that's more than a blessing. Come on, man. You don't have to wait, especially if you're streaming. You don't have to wait on donations. You don't have to wait on Twitch to pay you out. You don't have to wait for YouTube to pay you out because you damn near making that YouTube amount on your own by trading. That's just that YouTube and Twitch payout, that's an add-on to what you're already making. You gotta think about that. Guys, I started with $100, man. Think about it. I started with $100, man. I'm at $2,000. Come on, man. $2,000. I just showed you what's possible through the impossibilities. And that's due to you guys. You guys supported me. You guys never let me down. You kept pushing me to be the best trader I am. And not just that, I got blessed being in a new community. Shout out to Primo. Shout out to Hardware. Again, Lucky, all of you guys for just allowing me into a new atmosphere, in a new community, man, where I was able to believe more in myself. I took $100, man, and grew it from $100 to $2,000 where I can just do whatever I want to do with it. Come on, man. What more do you need? And all I did was work on myself as a trader. Because even through that challenge, I had to figure out what type of trader am I? What works best for me? Am I a day trader? Am I a scalper? Am I better at swinging? Am I better going long? Am I better going short? I had to ask myself a lot of these things, guys, through the process of this. Like, what works best for me? What stocks can I just lean on to? Because you got some people, traders, that have damn near 10 or 20 stocks and they'll trade not a single one of them. Because they looking at too many damn stocks. They're bypassing opportunities. You got 20 stocks and it's that one stock that's bypassing you because you're so blindsided by looking at too many. All I did was get to a point, man, what stock works best for me? What ETF works best for me? And stick with it. If it ain't broke, why fix it? Okay, once I identify myself with the ones that works best for me, okay, how can I make money on the upside on this? How can I make money on the downside on this? So that's all I did. So instead of sitting around and just saying, oh man, I'm long buys, I'ma just wait for the pullback down, and then finally get in and go up. I can make money on the short side as it's going down, even as it's going up, and I'm waiting on the short. Oh man, I'm gonna just let it go up, and not taking advantage of this opportunity. Why not jumping on the long side, going up, and then reverse it back on down? So it allowed me to think about a lot of these things throughout the process. Think about it. Why do you think my account grew? Because it helped me identify myself as a trader. What type of trader am I? You know, going long, going shorts, you know, and also dealing with contracts. What contracts works best for me? You know, understanding the strike prices and so forth. It taught me a lot. It taught me a lot, for myself as a trader. You know, what works best for me? How can I attack this market? You know, doing today's intraday. You know, how can I approach this? Can I approach this on the long side? Can I approach this on the downside? Damn, even through a choppiness. How can I make this work for me? Okay, let me play the rotation. Okay, even through choppiness, I know that once we hit a certain key level up, I know sellers gonna come in. I know once we work on a certain key level down, I know buyers gonna come in. And that's all it did. It helped me understand my patience. It helped me understand patterns and when to jump in on these plays. Why do you think I got my account up to $2,000, guys? I mean, think about it. I understood the patterns, understood the setups, because going through what I went through throughout this journey, it taught me on how to play the market. It taught me on how to get in on the market. You know, when to take profits when I have it, not to bag hold. Because you got some traders, and I know a lot of y'all not going to admit to this shit. I've been one of them. At least I'm man enough to admit it. That I was one of those traders that got in on the play. I was up in profit, but I didn't want to take the profit. Right? I was up on profits, but I didn't want to take the profits. Now that the market is turning, and now my profits is turning to losses, now I'm complaining. Now I'm cursing myself out. Now I'm cursing the market out. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Oh man, I shoulda took profits here. Oh, I shoulda took profits there. Why didn't I take this damn? Why didn't I just sell it when I had to? We all been there, man. We're humans. We're not perfect. We make mistakes, man. But your mistakes helps you become a successful trader because you learn from it. Don't make the same mistakes and keep making the same mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and be better. I had to learn to take profits when I have it, not the freaking bag holder shit. If I'm up in profits, man, I'm taking that shit. I don't care. I don't give a damn if it's $10. I don't give a damn if it's 20, 30. Cool, because that's one trade, right? But now I'm in a position to make multiple trades. Because, okay, think about it. If you locking in $30 per trade, dude, that's $30, $30, $30, $30. Okay, let's do this. Let's take out the calculator. What about if you take nothing but $30? Let's just say $30 trades. Let's say you take $30 trades, but you make that trade, let's say 10 times. You're up 300. That's still money in your pockets, man. That's money in your pocket. Especially if you started off with a small account. That's 300 added to what you just had. Think about it, man. You gotta think like that, man. That's $300 off of 10. I mean, you may have made 10 trades, but that's $300 that you just made. Duh. You gotta be appreciative and understanding. Just because you made $30 the first trade and complain about, oh man, all it is 30. That's still $30 you didn't have to work for. That's still $30 you didn't have to go work a fucking 9 to 5 for. You know? Now that's one trade. Okay, now you just made another trade. Now I'm up 60. You still didn't have to go work a 9 to 5. You still didn't have to go leave your home. Now you're up 60. Oh, damn, now I just made another trade. Now I'm up 90. When the hell did you have to leave your house? Now you damn near up $100. You got people going working 9 to fucking 5 to make damn near $100, $200, and that's a day. You just made that within a day and sitting at the comfort of your home. So why not take the profits when you have it? Be grateful. Lock that shit in because it adds up. If you have a $100 account and you just made $100, now your account is up 200. Now you do the same exact trade again from 200. You made an additional 100. Now you're up 300. Now your account is up 300. Think about it, man. Stop being greedy, man. Just because somebody else with a big account is making more money than you, who gives a shit? That's their account. Their account is not your account. You don't know what they've been through on why they at where they at now. They might have been at the same level you was at. They may have been at $100, $200. Now they're making up. Now they had a $20,000 account. Now they had a $50,000 account. But there wasn't much money just handed to them. It was the work that they had to put in to get there. Stop comparing your account to somebody else. Their life is not your life. You're responsible for your own shit. So stop comparing yourself to other people. My guys are Hardware and Primo, my goats. Just because they make a certain amount more than me, I don't give a shit. Shout out to them. Congratulations to them. But their life is not my life. They don't take care of my kids. I take care of my kids. Whatever money I make, that goes towards to me and towards my children. I take care of what I gotta take care of. That's what I think about. But as your account grows, understand now you got more leverage. Understand that you're making more money. Now you're going to that level there where they were at. Now your account is up to $20,000. Now your account is up to $30,000. Now it's gonna be somebody underneath you trying to get to where you at. You gotta think like that, man. Stop trying to live somebody else's life when you gotta live your own shit, man. That other person is not responsible for your life. That other person is not responsible for your fucking trading account. You are responsible for everything. For you and for your trading account and what trades you make. So stop with that bullshit, man. Cut that shit out. Be grateful. Take profits when you have it. Lock in on it. Grow your fucking account, man. Again, I'm a prime example. I had to go through hell. We in October. I started I started January, February, somewhere in that nature. Well, I started with $100. So it didn't take me overnight to do this shit. It took some time to grow. And not just that, I had to go through personal things in my life. So that was challenges on top of that. So not only the trading was a challenge, I had to deal with personal life as a challenge. It was certain things going on behind the scenes that I had to take care of that could have caused a distraction, stop me from trading, have a constant, bringing down my confidence to going into trading. So it was a lot of things I had to go through, but I did it. But I made it. I succeeded. I went through ups and downs. Nobody's life is perfect. I went through ups and downs, kept praying, kept God first, and God saw me through it. I'm up $2,000, man, from $100 to $2,000. There was no overnight thing. It took weeks. That took days, weeks, and months to get to where I'm at. But look where I'm at. Look at the leverage I have now. Look at the money I can take out now to go enjoy myself, to pay money for bills. All because of hard work and consistency, man. So nobody's journey is perfect, man. We all go through ups and downs. So don't ever think that you by your damn self. We all go through it. Even your most top-notch trader go through ups and downs in life. Just because they displaying shit on social media, you don't know what's going on behind the scenes. You don't know what they're going through. Hell, they may be paying for child support. They may be broke, but not saying it. Of course, people are always going to put a fucking mirage on social media because they want to display a certain image in front of you guys. They don't want to let you know what they're going through. So you can't always go off of that shit, man. You can't do that. At least as me being a man, I at least told you guys what I went through. I told you guys I went through ups and downs. I told you I was going through a baby situation. But at least I was man enough to say it, man enough to admit it, and y'all went through my process. But I'm about the most authentic and realest motherfucker possible that's showing you how to still grow an account even through things that y'all may go through behind the scenes. I'm here. I'm alive and breathing and still speaking and showing you guys what is possible in life. Do the damn thing, man. If I can do it, you guys can do it. God didn't just put you on this earth just to go through bullshit. You're here for a reason. We all have purposes in life on why we're here. You got to figure out what is your purpose. What is your goal? What are you trying to pursue in life, man? What legacy are you trying to leave behind before you leave this earth? Everybody's different. My journey may not be your journey. Your journey may not be my journey. But you got to find it within yourself, man. Y'all got this, man. Shout out to y'all, bro. I'm tired of preaching, but y'all got this, man. I said what I had to say. But, I mean, I'm glad that you guys rock with me, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all.
Only 5 likes. Y'all getting game and can't hit that like.
Man, Tammy, thank you so much, Queen. God bless you, and God bless you and your family. Appreciate you. And I wish you nothing but much success for 2025 going to 2026. Tammy, thank you for being another ride or die, being my day one. Appreciate you, Queen. Appreciate you. And she's right. Man, there's not a lot of traders that's going to break down things to you. Be honest with you guys, man. That's going to charge you an arm and leg. Oh, man, if you want to know my secrets, oh, you got to pay for this shit. If you want to know my secrets, oh, you got to pay for that shit. Guys, I give y'all free information every day, man. Like, I mean, as much as I can. I don't charge out nothing. The only time I told you I charge is through my Patrons because I got to put in work over the weekends. You got to think about it. The market is closed. I'm taking free time out of my free time while everybody is Netflixing and chilling, while I'm taking time from my family to do extra work for y'all that y'all don't have to do. But I do it because I love you guys, man. Because I want to see you guys set yourself up for the next week. And then the next week. And so forth. I don't mind putting in the work. I love doing that. I love a challenge, man.
THX caught the tail end of your motivational.
Tammy, thank you so much, Queen. And the only thing I was preaching about was, man, just never give up in life. And I was trying to tell people, thank God I'm at where I'm at, because right now above my head, Tammy, for everybody else who witnessed my journey, I start off with $100. I start off with $100, and I'm at $2,000, $2,000, and I went through a tough journey through personal life, through trading life, through everything. But what I'm saying is, guys, if I can do it, you can do it, man. Again, God didn't put us here, as a mistake. We all have a purpose in life, but you have to figure out what your purpose is. You can't figure out what your purpose is living through somebody else's life. You can't do that, man. There's so many people that want to live through somebody else's social media life. Oh, man, they see somebody with bigger cars. They see somebody with a bigger house. You don't know what they did. You don't know if that shit is a rental. You don't know if that's really theirs. All social media is a mirage, man. It's a mirage. You don't know what goes on behind the scenes. You don't know. So stop living somebody else's life or trying to live through somebody else. Live through your own. Be your own legacy. Be your own living testimony. Because as you become successful in your career, you can motivate somebody else behind you. This is what I had to go through to get to where I'm at. Don't give up in life. Keep pushing. Inspire other people. Motivate other people. But you can't do that living in somebody else's dreams and their shadow. That route may be designed on how God has it set for them. That's their route. That's their path. Don't mean that that's yours. You have your own path, your own route to take. You have to put work in, man. Put work in and create your own legacy. Leave your own legacy behind. I was a simple guy. I didn't even live stream. I was scared to live stream. I didn't know how people was going to perceive me. I didn't know how people was going to take me. I was like, because I love trading behind the scenes, peace and quiet. That's just how I was. But I got on live stream. I said, you know what? Let me build up this confidence. Let me inspire other people who may be going through what I went through. And I told you guys what I went through in life. That I went through downfalls. I quit a 9-to-5 because I went to pursue my trading career. Knowing that I didn't know everything about the market. I took hits. I lost money. You know, I had to go back to working a 9-to-5. I was embarrassed. Man, especially when I got on the uniform. I'm not gonna lie, I was working at Home Depot. I was working at fucking Walmart. I was working at FedEx. Man, Jay, man, you were just, talking about, man, you were just doing this, you were just doing that, man. Why you working a 9-to-5? I'm too embarrassed to even admit it. I was too ashamed to admit it. Oh man, I'm just doing this because I wanna, because I was so used to being in the house by myself. I want to get out and conversate with other people and be a part of just get myself out there. No, I was lying, man. I was fucking lying. I was embarrassed because I was too embarrassed to admit my mistakes, man. Instead of just saying, I made a mistake, I lost money, I was down financially, I had to go back to working a 9-to-5 because I had to build some type of financial stability to get myself back to where I'm at. Instead of manning up and just saying that shit. And I had to overcome that, man. I had to overcome working back down to a 9-to-5 to get myself back to where I'm at. But I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm man enough to admit my mistakes. I'm man enough to admit that I'm not fucking perfect. I make mistakes like anybody else. But you have to learn from your mistakes and do better, man. Be a better you. It don't matter if you're taking a route in trading. It could be in any career. Learn from your mistakes. And another thing that a lot of people fail or hit a wall at, I'm going to tell you what, and y'all know y'all do this shit. Y'all lean on everybody else's fucking validation. Stop that shit. Stop trying to please this person. Stop trying to please that person. Because they may have your back when you're doing successful, but where they at when you're struggling? Do they have your back when you down and out? Ain't nobody to be found. All you have left is your family, yourself, and God, man. When I went through my ups and downs and people abandoned me, I'm just being honest, I had no fucking body, man. Everybody ran from me. I was waking up every morning figuring out how I'm going to eat, how I'm going to keep a roof over my head, how I'm going to keep a smile on my face in front of my kids without admitting and failure and embarrassment, man. But one thing that I never strayed away from, even through my struggles, was God, man. I kept God first no matter what I did. I still had the strength enough to get on my damn knees, tell God I'm sorry for whatever I did. Man, God, please bless me with the things that I need in my life to move forward. I learned from my mistake, God. I apologize, man. Put me back on the path where I need to be to get back to where, to get to the person that I am. And he did that, man. I was going through a lot of downfalls, but I made it, man. Yes, I had to work a 9-to-5. Yes, I had to go cut grass to make grass money, to make ends meet, because I needed to eat. I went through it all, man. But look where I'm at now. Look what my struggles paid off, man. Because my struggles now turned into success. Now I have $2,000 above my head. I didn't ask nobody for this shit. I didn't ask nobody to give me this money. I earned that, man. I put in the work. I didn't give up on myself. I took care of that man that was in that mirror. You gotta take care of you before you can take care of anybody else, man. You gotta take care of you first. Take care of that star player. Take care of you first before you can take care of anybody else. I had to learn it. Through my journey, I had to learn it. And look where I'm at now. Now I'm helping people. I just gave $20 out to one of my supporters, to Brent. That's $20 that could have went somewhere else. But I'm in a blessed position. I want to pass my blessings on to other people. All he did was call out a pattern, and I blessed this man with $20. That was $20 that wasn't even in his packet, nor his account. I took a blessing that God blessed me with and spread that blessing to somebody else. That can go a long ways. It may not seem like much, but that can be gas money. If he got kids, that go towards his children. I help pass on a blessing to somebody else, man. But look at the position that I'm in. I'm no longer struggling. I don't have to work a 9 to 5, man. I'm sitting right in front of you guys, living my life. I'm not working, I'm living. Some people work all of their life. You have some people that live majority of their life. Some people that work and not even knowing what their true potential was in life. Not knowing even what their purpose was in life. Live and die working for somebody else. Not building no type of legacy, man. I broke away from that shit because I want to leave a legacy. I want to be remembered for doing something great. I want to inspire other people to keep going, man. My thing is, don't never give up on yourself. Don't never give up on your dreams. One thing that you cannot do is share a big dream to small-minded ass people who's never going to see your vision, because that vision is meant for you. God made that vision and that path for you to see. It's not about you trying to prove yourself to make other people see it. They're not going to see it because they're not living your life and your dream. Stay within your dream. Stay within your passion. Stay within your route, your lane, and make the best of it, man. That's it. And I'm done. I'm sorry for preaching, but that's it. Live your life. Live your dreams to the best of your abilities. Do not share a big dream to small-minded people. And keep it going, man. That's one thing. After everybody else leaves your side, one person that will never leave your side is God. God will see you through any and everything. Think about it. When you down and out, how does something always just miraculously happen at the right time when you need it? Think about it. You down to your last cent. You got nothing to spend. You got no food. You got nothing. And all of a sudden a blessing comes out of nowhere. Man, that's God, man. Acknowledge that man. Acknowledge him, man. Be grateful for the things he put in your life. First and foremost, be grateful that you are able to wake up and be alive to see another day. It's up to you what you make within that day. Everybody has 24 hours within a day. It's up to you what you do with it, man. Keep grinding. Don't give up. So I'm done with it, man. But shout out to everybody, man. For 2025, I wish you guys nothing but the best and much success and blessings going into, from 2025 into 2026. The time is yours. The time is now. It's time for you to live for yourself and do the damn thing, man. Never give up. Stay grinding, man. So that was my message to y'all, man. Don't ever give up in life. And appreciate y'all for supporting me. Appreciate you. So I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done, man. But I'm blessed and happy, man, to have you guys a part of my life, a part of my community. God bless you all, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life. Appreciate y'all. So, anyway, let's keep the ball rocking and rolling, guys. Let's see what we got, man. I know I did enough rambling. I'm sorry. I just, cause I don't want y'all to think that y'all by yourselves. Cause we all go through it, man. Don't ever think that you by yourself. We all got our own struggles. So, I done went through it. I'm man enough to admit it. I'm here. But God bless you all, man. Twitch, YouTube, I don't care what platform you watch me on. God bless you all. And I pray to God that y'all all live life to the fullest, man. And God will continuously allow, many more blessings to fall upon y'all, man.
Can you give SPX a look?
Well, if you think about it, SPX, all it does is follow SPY. That's all it is. It's just it follows SPY, boss. See, if you notice the pattern? So you see how I went to, so Lario, you notice I went to SPX and I went to SPY? They do the same exact thing. That's all it is. It's just more of an aggressive, like, you'll make more from SPX. That I give you. You can. Because due to the contracts, SPX likes to move by $5 increments. Versus SPY, it normally moves by penny increments. But you can still, but now the beauty part about it though, I'm not gonna lie to you, Lario, I'm gonna tell you right now. Yes, SPX is rapid, where you can make a lot more money in a shorter period of time. What I like about SPY contracts is that you can still make money from it, but it's kind of like in a more consistent basis. It's not as rapid. It may not move as rapid as SPX, but you're still making money from it. And it's all based off of how many shares you're going in with, or how many contracts you're going in with. Because if you want to meet, like, okay, with SPX, one contract alone, you're making $5 every penny you go up, right? With SPY, knowing that it moves by penny increments, you may have to go with 5 contracts to kind of meet up to the same expectations of SPX. And that's one thing I learned. But I'm going to tell you something that I learned. L'Oreal, I'm gonna tell you what helped me. What helped get my account to $2,000. I'm gonna just be honest. I'm just telling you, God, tell the truth. I started trading like CRWV. And right here, I can show you right here, boss. My little list right here. CRWV, CRCL, OKLO, TTD. If you notice, I got like a small list right here. Those are my scalping plays. Now, the reason why I like those is due to the spreads on them. So, okay, with CRWV, like if I have 5 contracts, which is every 10 cents you make it $50, right? So that means if you have a good spread on it, say for instance a 10 to 20 cent spread, you're making up closely up to $50 to $100 within the spread because your buyers are down here, but your sellers are up here. Especially if you're playing the right side of momentum. So, okay, like right here, for example, when you got this dump off. So we know right here clearly we're sellers, right? So that means, okay, if I got in on CRWV, 5 contracts, let's say 10 cents, right? 10 cents, I got in with 5 contracts, and it goes up 15 to 20, right? So now you up 10 cents. You're already up 50. Okay, let's say that it keeps dropping, and your sellers or your spread gets bigger. You're already in at 10 cents. So anything above your 10 cent entry, you're making a good amount because you win with 5 contracts, 500 shares. So that means that every penny you're moving, you're making $5. So I go by the 10 cent method. 5 contracts, every 10 cents is 50. Every 20 cents is 100, and so forth. And that's how I was easy to make my money. That's how I easily made my money. Now that's what I did. So I didn't really have to lean on SPX. Nothing's wrong with SPX. But me personally, I didn't lean on SPX. I leaned on scalping plays. God is my witness. I leaned on scalping plays, had good spreads. I got in with a good amount of shares where I didn't have to hold a play for long. Cause let me break it down. Let me if you didn't know, L'Oreal, let me break it down. So we're gonna play, if you're going by options, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you, for example. Okay, so 1 contract alone is 100 shares, right? So, okay. So, and we're gonna go by the 10 cent method. We're gonna go 10 cent method. We're gonna go up 10 cent method. And we're gonna put equal. Okay, so 100 shares. Every 10 cents, you're making $10. Alright. Let's say for this we do 2 contracts, which is 200 shares. So that means every 10 cents, you're making 20. 3 contracts, every 10 cents, you're making 30. I'm going all the way to 5. 4 contracts, which is 400. Every 10 cents, you're making 40. And last but not least, 5 contracts, which is 500. Every 10 cents, you're making 50. So, based on how many contracts you're going with, and which is what I do, I play between 5 to 10 contracts. So that means every 10 cents that goes up.
Bruce says, yes, sir.
Man, what's up, Forever Whoa? That's my brother from another mother. Man, Forever Whoa, man. Thank you so much for joining me, man. I know I haven't seen you in a while, man. I've been on my journey, bro. You remember we were talking about the small account challenge? I took $100, boss. I'm now up to $2,000. So my target goal is $2,500. So it's almost like, okay, put it like this.
Like I haven't seen you been around, bro.
Man, I know, man. I've been busy, man. It's been a lot. I do have a little one on the way. I have a baby girl on the way, so that's why I've been busy a lot. You know, the queen has been going through ups and downs, emotional roller coasters. Because it's getting closer and closer towards that due date. Because she's expected between.
Shit, congrats.
Man, appreciate you, bro. Because I know she's due between. I want to say between November, December, early December. We do have a baby girl on the way. For those who don't know, guys, we do have a baby girl on the way. She's getting closer and closer towards that due date. So not only I had to focus on my trading, I had to focus on keeping her, motivated. Because her confidence level. Because with pregnant women, some of them they deal with emotional roller coasters where they're kind of down one minute, then they're mad the next minute. It's kind of up and down, up and down. So I got to deal with a pregnant woman on top of trading. So what I'll do is, and that's the reason why I haven't been on my live. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. So
Bruce says, that's the beauty of trading. You have time for the both.
Yeah, exactly. So that and for those who have been on my live but trying to stay on top of that, that's the reason why I haven't going on my live. I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing. You know me, I'm always authentic with y'all. I'm very honest with y'all. So the minute I make my quota, I hit my quotas, which is up to now $200 to almost $300. Once I close it out, right? It'll be around 11, 12 o'clock. I'll take the queen out to eat. Because I'll get her out of the house. Because being pregnant, stuck in the house, I don't know where her mind is at. Because I'm she's not going to tell me everything, of course. So what I do is I say, okay, let me take you out of the house. Let's go out and about, man. Let's go eat out. Let me put you in a different environment where you can breathe, a breath of fresh air. And that's what I do. Because not only do I have to take care of trading, I have to take care of a woman that's pregnant, and so forth. So, but think about it, guys. Due to my account growing, I don't have to stay in the market for long. So that's why between 9:30 to 12 o'clock, I hit my quotas, I lock out, and not only do I put time towards my trading, I put time towards my family. So now I'm able to do that. Now, when I had a small account, I damn near had to stay in between, all the way through the market close because I was trying to grow my damn account. Because I was making $20 here, $20 there, $20 here, $20 here. Think about it, guys. Now my account is at $2,000. Now I'm making up to $200 to $300 a trade, a day. So I don't have to stay in the market that long now. So now I'm able to separate the two, where I can focus on trading and in one half, and then I can focus on my family for the other half. So do excuse me that's why I haven't been in my life, and I'm just being honest, because I have to focus on a pregnant woman who's carrying my child, and my baby girl's kicking like crazy, and I can't wait for her to get here. And then I have to focus on trading at the beginning. I have to focus on you guys to make sure you make your money. So now, like I said, Lario, as I was saying, it all depends on your contracts, right? It all depends on how many contracts you're going with where you don't have to stay in for long. And like I said, think about it. Okay, let's just use the 500 shares, 5 contracts. Let's just say, right? Okay, let's just say we know with 500 shares, every 10 cents you go up 50, right? Okay, so say for instance, let's go with the calculator. You know how we do. So let's say 500 shares times, let's say you trade. Let's say you did 10. Let's just say you did 10. So 500 shares times 10, you'll be up. Well, no, did I do that right? 500 shares, yeah, 500 shares, every 10 cents. I think I did that correct. 10 contracts. I'm trying to think of it in my head. I might have put that wrong. Cause I know 50, 100, 100. Cause 5 should be what? 100 should be what? 250. Yeah, so it should be 250. I'm trying to make sure I did this correct. Hold on. I'm just make sure I did this right. That's two. No. Sorry, that's not right. Wait. I'm doing something wrong. 500 shares, cause times 2, that's $50. Okay, 50. I'm sorry, 50. I'm doing that wrong. I'm doing by shares. I'm sorry. $50. I'm sorry. I knew something wasn't right. $50. Cause I told you I'm tired. My mind gone. All right. Okay. $50. I'm sorry. So, okay, every 10 cents. Yeah. Okay. So 50. All right. So think about it. 500 shares, 5 contracts. Every 10 cents, you're making 50. So, 20 cents, you're making $100. You're making $100. So, if you're playing now a 20-cent method, off of 5 contracts, that's 100, 200, 300, and it's just steady going, steady climbing. But yeah, I mean, that's all I do, and that's why I'm not in the market as long as I used to be, because now my account is growing. But I don't have to stay in the market for long. I don't have to stay to no damn power hour. I don't even have to stay until lunch. Like, right, what I'm doing right now, I don't have to stay in this shit. Like, I'm done. I done made profits. I'm good. I'm up $2,000. I could easily lock out right now and be done. Because I already didn't caught majority of the volume on the downside. Now, right now that we're in consolidation doing lunch, I don't have to do a trade. I'm good. I'll do more trading. I could easily stop this live stream and be done with it. I can literally be done right now. Which I am done for right now. So, I done caught all of this move. Now with CRWV, we're in consolidation. I'm not going to put myself in a position and lose money. Hell no. Not until I see volatility. But, again, I manage myself. I stay within a time frame. 9:30, roughly 11:30. Made my profits. I'm out. I ain't got to force a trade. I'm done. Right now, it's in consolidation. So, now I want to see, okay, how we going to set up going into the second half of the market and going to close. Two things can happen. I'm going to speak it from both standpoints. However, if you're long bias, as long as you hold this one, well, CRWV, I'm saying for example. CRWV, you hold 137.13, right? You hold this floor level. That means that is a demand zone. So that means you got room to push your way back up towards 138 to 140, back up towards these other pre-market levels. then we'll see upside. We'll be breaking out of a downtrend. Number 2 scenario, short side. We crack underneath 137.13 and get that continuation sell-off where we'll see 136, 135, all the way down to 134. We'll get a nice sell-off. So, but the position I'm in right now, guys, I don't have to trade. I'm done. I'm done for right now. Why need to force a trade if I'm done? So, and that's all I'm doing. I took advantage of the opportunity of volatility. Now that I done all this shit, I'm done. Now consolidation, why am I forced to trade? I don't have to. I'm done with today for right now. Until I see volatility step back in, whether it's the upside or downside. And the beauty part about it, I can play up or down. But I want to see what type of volatility is going to step in. You know, will I see buying step up, which we'll start to see, continuation green candles up? Or will I start to see, a possible sell-off where we start to see red candles on down? That's it. So right now, all I'm doing is just letting the consolidation tell me what it's going to do. My trading is done. I'm done. But that's the position you guys should put yourself in. Catch that beginning of the market from 9:30 to 11:30. Now, just because the bell rings at 9:30, I'm not jumping in right at 9:30. Hell no. I always give it at least about 15 minutes in. Because why? I have to think about economic data that may come out. That may affect the market. You may have some data that may come out at 9:45. You may have some data that may come out at 10 o'clock, right? So after all of the dust is settled, and then I'm starting to see, okay, what position are we putting ourselves in? Now, the reason why I went for it today, because we didn't have jobless claims. Why? Due to the shutdown. Shutdown took away the jobless claims. So we didn't have anything but volatility. And I'll go to the charts itself to show you. So, and I always do my research ahead of time each day. Okay, what day is going to present something? We already know Thursdays. 9 times out of 10, you'll have initial jobless claims, which is damn near every Thursdays, 8:30. We know that's one of the ones that is a normal, a repeat every week. The initial jobless claims, Thursdays, 8:30. But we didn't have it today. So let me go to it to show you my proof. So once I checked that and I seen that we didn't have it, I was like, okay. So 9 times out of 10, I said in my head, we're going to go off of momentum. So let me go to it. I'll go to it real quick. Let me see. All right. So I'll always go over my economics every single day. Every single day I'll go over my economics. So today, the 2nd. Let's see. No initial jobless claims, no nothing. So you can see right there, everything got pushed due to the government shutdown. So we didn't have no initial jobless claims today. That's done. All right. Now tomorrow, what do we got to possibly expect? Let's see. Do we still have non-farm payroll? Wait, is it right there? Yeah, it's the 3rd. We had non-farm payroll data. I don't see that. Normally that's at 8:30. But you notice due to the shutdown, I don't see, everything started to change now. We don't have nothing. And I'm going to show you the proof. I'll show you the proof. I always back my shit up. I'm going to show y'all the original economic chart I had set up going into this week before the shutdown. I'm going to show you what I had. Show you my proof. Right? This is what y'all seeing right now in real time. All right, let me bring up the data I had before on what was to be expected. All right? This is what I had that I released on my Patreon. All right? This was supposed to be expected before the shutdown. So Wednesday, we had new home sales data. Oh, no. I got the right date. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I got the wrong data. This is the wrong one. Hold up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me go back to my... I apologize. Let me go to my right data. Wait, where is it at? Because I know I posted it. Where's my economic data? Did I delete it on accident? I don't tell me I deleted on accident. Crap. Hold up. Let me go to my Patreon because I know I posted it. Hold up. This is the wrong date. Hold up. That's the wrong date. I apologize. I know I posted it on Patreon. Let me see if I got it. Hold up. I might have accidentally deleted it on accident. Because I always clean up my folders. Because I don't like to congest it with too much. So the ones that I don't use, I delete it. I might have deleted on accident. I'm sorry. But I do have it on my Patreon. Let me go to my Patreon. Because I always post it on between Saturdays and Sundays. Y'all know I do. For all my Patreon members, y'all know I post this shit. Y'all know this. Alright. Let me scroll down on my Patreon. Come on. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. Alright. Move it over a little bit. Alright, cool. Yeah, so Wednesday, yep. Let me see. Yep, because Thursday we were supposed to get initial jobless claims. Now, due to the shutdown, we didn't have it. Friday, tomorrow, we were supposed to get non-farm payroll data. And you can see right here, you can see the dates. The 3rd, And I put the wrong dates. The 3rd, I meant to put October. That was my fault. I put that's why I was rushing. But that's actually October, not August. And I'm sorry for that. But yeah, this was supposed to be tomorrow. We're supposed to have non-farm payroll data. That's supposed to be non-farm payroll data. So now, due to the initial, due to the shutdown, but see what I mean when I multitask, man? I mean, I'm all over the place. Sometimes I may mess up, sometimes I may not. You know, but y'all can see I meant to put October, not August. Because you gotta understand, I'm doing things by myself, man. I'm always updating. I don't have no team like that. I'm by myself updating everything. Patreon, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. Man, I'm by myself doing this, guys. For y'all. So sometimes I may mess up. I mean, shit happens. But let's see. For tomorrow. Now that the government shutdown happened, we no longer have non-farm payroll. We no longer had initial jobless claims. So all of that's been shut down. So we don't have none of that. So what do we have going into tomorrow now? We have the S&P Global PMI. That's all I see is as of now between 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So we don't have the regular. So now due to me doing my research, and I see that we have initial jobless claims to add any type of impact to the market, the only thing that was going through my mind was now volatility. So tomorrow, like I said, we don't have non-farm payroll data unless they change it. So far, we don't have non-farm payroll data. So that means that's going to be pushed out to the side. So now we have to see on how we're going to handle up going from today into tomorrow. And I knew this week was going to be crazy. Once they mentioned the shutdown, I knew things were going to change. I knew things were going to shift. I knew that was coming. But I did my homework. I did my research. We got SPY still going up. Got back above the VWAP. Still on this uptrend. So you still got that uptrend. Remember how this uptrend I put during lunchtime? Look at that. We still following the uptrend. Get right back on top of 669. Trying to push our way back up to 670. Basically back up towards these pre-market levels. So you got an uptrend on SPY. You got an uptrend on SPX. And as I was telling Lario, whoever asked me about that, I think it was, was it Lucky? Who was that asked me about SPX? Yeah, Lario. So Lario, if you notice, all SPX is doing is following, put it like this, to shut that shit down. All you got to do is really follow SPY to know what SPX is going to do. All it's going to do is follow it. That's all it's going to do. So if you can read SPY good, then knowing SPX shouldn't be a problem. And all it does is follow it. So, but if you better at reading SPX, another smart thing to do, I've done it too, is if you're good at following SPY setup, your price points, all you do is just use SPX contracts, if that makes sense. So if you know that SPY itself is on an uptrend, and you know SPY itself is moving up, just use SPX contracts going off of SPY's movement, if that makes sense to you, right? Because it follows it. So you can watch SPY, but use SPX contracts. Now, if that makes sense to you, Lario, that makes sense, Lario, that makes sense, boss? That's all you do. If you know how to read SPY, then it's not gonna be too hard to read SPX. It follows it. That's all they do. That's all they do, boss. So I mean, because I know the prices are different. Because SPX is like 6,700s versus here it's 670 and so forth. But again, if you're good at reading SPY, just read SPY's chart, but use SPX contracts. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Cause I had to learn how to do that shit. Cause I was like, I knew how to read SPY's price points better than SPX. Cause I knew SPX, their prices is different. 6,700s versus 670. So what I did was I stuck to SPY setup, but contract wise I would use SPX. If that makes sense. Guys, I know I got soon leave in a few. And the reason why I have to probably leave a little early today is because today is homecoming. So I know the kids are getting out of school early. And I know the parades are going to be setting up. And I do have to take my son to the parade. We do have homecoming parade coming up. So we'll have to leave in a few minutes, guys. And I don't mean to leave y'all early. But so the streets are going to be packed. Streets are going to be packed. And, take my son out for his parade. I think this may be his first parade. Maybe his first parade. But yeah, and I'm gonna treat him out to a homecoming parade. Let him get some candy. Spend some time with my son. You know, treat him out. So. But yeah, so I will be leaving in a few, and I don't mean to leave you guys early. But tomorrow I will be back in. I'm trying to think of the time I'm being on Spy. Be on live stream tomorrow. Cause now what I started to do, I started coming in now between 12 o'clock noon, 1 o'clock afternoon, and start streaming from there. Because at the beginning of the market, I'm in a different community, talking amongst them, trying to get in, insights and stuff. So I I go over one community at the beginning of the market, and then I come to you guys towards the, mid area, crossing over to the second half of the market, which is lunch hours.
Slow prediction swing.
What on Spy? Spy. If we get back above 670, we get back above these levels here from pre-market. Watch this level here. We get back above this level. Turn this to from. Oh, Tesla. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Tesla. All right, Tesla. We have to get back above 450. 450. Yeah, because you gotta understand, y'all need that VWAP. So put it like this, Nadia. It all depends on how you close out. So if we get back above 450, 455, I can definitely see some upside, going into tomorrow, right? Because you are back above the VWAP. Remember, the VWAP can act as a borderline that separates you from buyers and sellers. So it all depends on how we close out, because you gotta keep in mind, being underneath the VWAP, that's bearish. Above the VWAP, that's bullish, right? You can run up to the VWAP, but you don't know if you're gonna break it. You may run up, get rejected, and then come right back on down, which you'll go from the 455s right back on down to 450s, 445s, 440s, where you come right back down to these bottoms.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem at all. So you gotta keep in mind this dash line right here. That's the VWAP. This is a 200-day moving average, but you gotta keep in mind you underneath all indicators. You underneath the 200, VWAP, 50, 9, 20. So right now it's still showing a little bit of bearishness moment. However, if buyers can strongly push, get back above 450 to 455, yes, I can see some more upside coming. Because you got to keep in mind, too, Nadia. You got to keep in mind, right now, you lost 450. So if you think about it from a $100 standpoint, right? If you have 400 to 500, what is your mid area? 450, right? You're underneath 450 because that's your half dollar mark. That separates you from 500 back down to 400. However, like I said, if they get above 450, that'll put you back in a higher range where you can go back up to 460, 470, 480, so forth. You got to keep in mind on how we're going to close out. It all depends on how we're going to close out. Will we get back above 450 or will we remain back underneath 450? That's how you have to look at it. That's how you have to look at it, Queen. Uh-oh. Getting an error on my YouTube, guys. There might be a sign for me to soon get off. I got an error already on my damn live stream. I see it already freezing. Here we go. Here we freaking go. I see an error already popping up. Already popping. Already with a damn error. We started off good. Here we go. Here we go. I see the error popping up. So let me go ahead and end it, man. Let me go ahead and shut it down, man. Like I said, Nadia's, if we want to see upside, we want to get back above 450, 455. Point blank. Because that'll put us back in the 450 bracket. SPY, we want to get back above 670. For CRWV, we want to hold that 138 back up to 140 if we want to see upside. Other than that, man, guys, let me give a shout out to everybody because I already see an error because I don't want it to miss up on y'all, man. It's not me, it's the freaking I'm on curse. I don't want to because I hate when it does this shit. But let me give a shout out to everybody. Let me give a shout out to let me go ahead. Where's all my God dang it. Where's all my stuff at? To my mods and everything. Where's my mod stuff at? Where the hell is my push? Oh my god, where's all my stuff at? I want to give a shout out to my mods and everybody, man. Where's my mod stuff at? I see my leaderboards, but where's all my mod stuff at? That's PowerPoints. My bad, guys, to keep having that run. I'm trying to give everybody a shout out. Where's all my stuff at? Oh my god. Matter of fact, let me turn this off right now. Oh, I see it. Let's go. I got it. I might be in around 11, because I know tomorrow, Fridays, so yeah. I might be in around 11-ish. So let me give a shout out to my mods on all platforms. Appreciate you guys. Also, let me give a shout out to my chats. Shout out to y'all. Where's my chat box at? Give a shout out to my chats. Thank y'all so much for coming through. Mods already hooked y'all up. Y'all already know what time it is. No donations, so I ain't worried about that. But let me go ahead and get everything set up. Alright, let me go ahead and go to my clips and go to sign off. So y'all already know what time it is. Let me go ahead and get that out of the way. So guys, I'm about to be signing off, man. I do got to get ready to get my son for his first parade. And I already know this thing's starting to act up, starting to show error on this stupid thing. But man, guys, thank y'all so much for supporting me, man. Y'all been my day one since day one. Appreciate y'all, man, and I'm not gonna let you guys down. We are now up $2,000. Now trying to push up to 2,500. That's gonna be the next thing that y'all see on the ATM machine right here. Next mode is 2,500, and then I'm gonna have to push that up to what? It's gonna be the next one. I want to say 3,000. I say 2,500 to 3,000 gonna be next. So in other words, we're trying to slowly close. We're trying to slowly move up.
CYA.
Man, what's up, Gas Pump? Shout out to you, boss, man. Salute to you, man. Thank you for coming through. So, yeah, guys, once we cross 2,500, the next level is going to be up. Like I said, what I want to go to is 5,000, right? From 25 to 5,000, and then from 5,000 to 10. And then from 10,000, we're going to just keep it rocking and rolling. But that goes to show you from $100 to now 2,500 away from 25 is insane. So, we're going to keep it rocking and rolling, guys. But, man, thank y'all so much for everything, man. Thank y'all so much for the love and support y'all been showing me, man. We're going to keep it rocking and rolling. Tomorrow, guys, I will be back in. I want to say around 11-ish because I know tomorrow's Friday. You know how Fridays are. So, I will be in another Discord community at 9:30 to about 10:30, 11. And then from that level, I'll be crossing over to my live stream about 11-ish. But I will alert you guys and let you know where I get on. But, man, thank y'all so much for everything, guys. And y'all already know what I'm about to say before I head on out, man. And then, again, before y'all already know what I'm about to say before I do that. Hold up. Before I do this. Y'all already know what I'm about to do before I didn't do.
Please let us know about dollar alerts.
Yeah, and Nadia, I do apologize. I don't know why I thought you was a part of the other community, man. I don't know why the hell I was getting you and Jenna confused. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I was thinking y'all was the same person. I'm sorry. I can admit my fault. I apologize for that. I don't know why I thought you was in the same community with me. And I'm man enough to admit it. My bad. I'm so sorry. And guys, if y'all new to my channel, man, do your boy a favor. We're on that road to 1K subs, man. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube. Hit me up on Twitch. Follow me on Kick. And also follow me on TikTok, guys, underneath the same name, Jtraedz. My name is authentic. Nobody follow me.
Appreciate you. Tomorrow is another trading.
Man, hey, boss, I'm ready. I'm ready, boss. Cause lucky, I'm ready too, boss. Cause I'm trying to get that account up to 2,500. So from 2,500, I'm trying. My next goal is to 5,000, and I'm trying to do this right in front of y'all, man. $5,000 from $100 startup to 5 G's, bruh. Come on, man. And if I cross 10,000, we now in the double digits, man. Look how. Think about how much leverage I have. From $100 startup when I was struggling, I get up to $5,000. I mean, think about the leverage, guys, that I have from using this money to give to you guys, pay bills, to take my family out on dinners, like having fun with them. Guys, thinking about from the struggle to now the success point I'm at is ridiculous. And then crossing the $10,000, going from a single digits to now double digits is insane. It's freaking insane. And if I could hit 10,000 before, bruh, that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. And y'all got to witness me do it. But yeah, guys, I will. Let me go ahead and turn the camera phone off, my bad. But yeah, guys, I will be back in tomorrow, man, and we're going to be knocking out the park, man. Turn that off. Yeah. So, guys, I will be back in tomorrow, like I said, around 11-ish, but I will be with the other community in the morning, 9:30 to 10:45, 11, somewhere in that bracket. But I will be coming in on my live stream around 11 and be rocking and rolling with you guys, towards, we'll stay about, 2 o'clock? Because I don't want nobody staying till no damn 4 o'clock on a Friday. Hell no. But we'll keep it rocking and rolling, man. But y'all know what I'm about to say before I head on now. Y'all know what time it is, man. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk, always put grateful over greed, and y'all will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, man, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe, and I will see y'all for Fast Cash Friday. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe, man. See y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.